10 Natural Remedies for Dandruff. Are you someone that is suffering from an itchy scalp? Every time you scratch your scalp, dandruff falls like the first snow of the new year. Dandruff flakes everywhere, especially on your shirt. It's very embarrassing, right? Don't worry, we've got you here. In this video, we are going to show you 10 natural remedies for dandruff and some you can do in the comfort of your home today, for quick relief. I understand how uncomfortable having dandruff is. It's itchy all the time, and when you try to scratch it, dandruff flakes will be everywhere. Scratching too much will be painful because a wound is now on your scalp. And dandruff spreads, leading to more areas of your head being covered in dandruff. In this video, I will show you simple remedies for removing your dandruff. Zero to low-cost remedies that you can also find in your home or your garden. Daily hair routines that you need to simply change to have a healthy scalp again. Welcome to Home Remedies and Natural Cures, where Mother Nature provides you with all the natural medicine you need to live a healthy life. Why these remedies are easy and better for your health compared to popping a pill that is full of chemicals. And how you can do many of these at home and they are not expensive. You will want to stay until the end of this video, where I will give you the changes that I had made to eliminate dandruff on my scalp forever, and a downloadable PDF for you to keep and refer back to each time you feel you have dandruff again. Before we start, click the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss another natural remedy and home cures video again. Imagine not having dandruff at all. Or having the confidence that you won't get dandruff because you are sure that your scalp is healthy. It wouldn't be amazing to have a dandruff-free scalp? You don't need to worry about the dandruff flakes on your shirt, and your scalp will live peacefully without itchiness. Some natural remedies are so effective in curing dandruff problems that you will want to have the natural product handy in case it flares up. Also, through this video, we recommend many products that work, and we have done the shopping for you. You will find links to products in the description below. Simply order and have them delivered, and you will see results. 10 Natural Remedies for Dandruff. Learning to care for your dandruff without needing doctors or specialists can be the one thing that finally tips the scales in your favor. When people use a natural remedy, they avoid being allergic to any artificial products they would have put on their bodies. There are so many home remedies that have natural ingredients that have healing components that can greatly help with the itching and rash symptoms of dandruff. They can be foods that you can apply to your skin, or a change in your diet that can reduce the itchiness and the appearance of dandruff. You can also use herbal extracts to make solutions that will treat dandruff, so maybe you can find relief through the tips compiled below. Natural remedy for dandruff number 1. Olive oil. Olive oil helps to soften and remove scales from your hair. To use, massage olive oil into your dry scalp and comb out dandruff flakes. Leave olive oil in your hair and cover it with a shower cap for extra conditioning. Leave olive oil in for an hour or so. Then comb or brush your hair and wash it. You will have healthy looking hair and no dandruff. Natural remedy for dandruff number 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is one of the most effective essential oils when it comes to treating dandruff. It is also proven to have potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which may help alleviate symptoms of dandruff. To use, add 10 to 15 drops of tea tree oil with every ounce of shampoo and massage it onto the hair. Let it stay there for at least 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Natural remedy for dandruff number 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is often also used as a natural remedy for dandruff. Coconut oil may help improve skin hydration and prevent dryness, which reduces symptoms of dandruff. Your dandruff will be completely gone within a few days without side effects. It is completely safe, cheap, and easy to use. Massage 3 to 5 tablespoons of coconut oil into your scalp and let sit for about an hour. Then use a mild shampoo. Natural remedy for dandruff number 4. Hibiscus flowers. Take hibiscus flowers and boil them with little water and then blend them. Add coconut oil and continue until it is a smooth paste form. Then apply the new mixture to the skull, gently rub it into the scalp and then leave it for 1.5 hours, then wash it with warm water. This wonderful remedy will remove dandruff and repair your scalp in no time. Natural remedy for dandruff number 5. Fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds are a widely used home remedy to treat dandruff. Soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight. Drain the water and mash the seeds into a paste. Apply on the scalp and allow the paste to remain there for about an hour. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo. Enjoy those healthy tassels. Natural remedy for dandruff number 6. Lemon, yogurt, and honey. Lemon removes dandruff very easily because of citric acid. Yogurt is rich in lactic acid and lactobacillus enzymes. And honey has its natural healing benefits. This powerful combination is a remover and moisturizer in one and helps remove dandruff. To make, take 1 lemon cut and juiced, 3 spoons of natural yogurt, and 1 spoon of honey, mix well and apply to your scalp. Leave on for 1 hour and wash out with mild shampoo. Natural remedy for dandruff number 7. Circulation. Circulation improves blood flow and the health of your scalp, reducing and eliminating dandruff. Improve circulation by taking a thick comb and backcomb your locks. Backcombing is a very good exercise for the hair, in general, and extra beneficial for dandruff. You can also use your fingers. Simply move your fingers around your scalp and you will soon see that the flakes don't stick to your scalp, and over time will not return. Natural remedy for dandruff number 8. Aspirin. Salicylic acid is present in aspirin and is an ingredient found in many anti-dandruff shampoos. Aspirin loosens the flakes which can then be easily washed away. Crush 2 uncoated aspirin tablets into a fine powder and mix the powder with a dollop of regular shampoo. In the shower, apply the mixture to the hair and leave it there for a few minutes before rinsing it. A quick and easy solution that works. Natural remedy for dandruff number 9. Neem oil. Is known to give amazing results in curing dandruff problems. To use, apply raw neem paste to your scalp for 10 minutes. Wash with a mild soap. Natural remedy for dandruff number 10. Lemon and onions. This powerful combination cleans and adds nutrients as well as protects the skin and hair from diseases. To make, take 1 lemon, cut it in half, and juice the lemon into a glass. Add 3 small onions, peel the skin off the onion and slice into quarters. Next, mince the onion. You can do this with a cheese grater or any other grater. Put the grated onion into a tea strainer and crush the juice of the onion into a glass. Add a teaspoon of the lemon juice to the onion juice and stir. Now apply to the scalp and massage. Wash it off after 10 minutes with either water or a mild shampoo. That is our recommended 10 natural remedies for dandruff that are proven to work. Now I will give you the natural remedies that I have done to eliminate my dandruff problems. First is tip number 7. I do the back combing before I go to sleep. This helps in making my hair healthy and beautiful. This method really helps me in reducing my dandruff and also helps to relax. That's why I always have a good night's sleep. Next is tip number 1. I do this remedy every morning before I take a bath. It softens dandruff, that's why it's easier to remove dandruff flakes. It also smoothens my hair and it looks healthier than it has ever been. Next is tip number 3. Putting coconut oil on my hair once a week helps me in removing my dandruff and makes my hair grow faster and healthier looking. Surely, you will use these natural tips and find some real relief. Because it is possible to rid yourself of the irritation and the embarrassment. You don't have to live with dandruff any longer. Some of these remedies are amazing in curing dandruff, but you may forget them. That is why I put together and give away a free tip sheet designed to be a handy go-to for you, and you have them to use no matter wherever you are, and you will relieve yourself of dandruff in only a few days. A $9.99 value, yours free. To get your free copy, click the link in the description below. We hope our 10 natural remedies for dandruff that you can do at home to cure your dandruff help you and help to make you feel better. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe and never miss another home remedy and natural cures video again, and it will add good karma to your health. Now, watch another home remedy and natural cure video and enjoy a more healthy body and life for you and your family. Thanks for watching.